In this quick guide, we're going to walk you through how to use Deel's contract templates. If you're new to Deel or haven't explored its full potential yet, this video is for you. By the end, you'll be able to easily navigate their contract templates and streamline your hiring process. Deel's platform is perfect for freelancers, global teams, or anyone managing remote workers. First, you'll need to sign up for a Deel account if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the contract section. Deel offers a variety of customizable contract templates that are designed to suit different types of working relationships, whether you're hiring a full-time employee or a contractor. It's all about creating legally compliant, clear, and professional contracts with ease. To get started, click on Create Contract. This will bring up a list of available templates. Deel provides templates for independent contractors, employees, and even internship agreements. Select the one that fits your needs. For example, if you're onboarding a contractor, you'll choose the contractor agreement template. Each template is already preloaded with key sections that are essential for any agreement, saving you time on drafting from scratch. After choosing the template, you'll move to the contract customization section. Deel allows you to add or remove terms as needed, ensuring that your contract is tailored specifically for your business and your needs. You can adjust the contract's start and end dates, payment terms, and other critical clauses like confidentiality or intellectual property rights. One of the coolest features is how Deel automatically adjusts the terms based on the country and region of the person you're hiring. This ensures you're always compliant with local laws, which can vary widely depending on where your team members are located. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're working with a global team. Next, let's talk about signatures. Deel makes it super easy to get your contracts signed electronically. Once you're happy with the contract, simply enter the email addresses of the parties involved, and Deel will send them a link to sign electronically. You don't have to worry about chasing down signatures. Deel tracks everything for you, providing a secure, time-stamped record. The best part? Deel allows you to store all your contracts in one place, making it easy to track and manage your agreements over time. You can access them anytime from your dashboard. One key thing to keep in mind is that Deel offers templates that are legally vetted, so you don't have to worry about whether your contracts meet compliance standards. They've worked with legal teams to ensure that each template is up to date with current laws. Now, if you want to get started with Deel for free, check out the first link in the description. With our exclusive bonus, you can enjoy an extended free trial to explore all the features, including their contract templates. So to recap, Deel's contract templates are an excellent tool for creating legally binding professional agreements in just a few clicks. Whether you're managing contractors or full-time employees, Deel helps ensure your contracts are clear, compliant, and easy to manage. And remember, with our link below, you'll get access to a special free trial to start using Deel right away. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides on Deel, and don't forget to take advantage of the free trial.